Osmo Door-Oil is a highly durable, low-maintenance hardwax oil, suitable for absorbent solid interior doors, and some selected veneered doors. Coming in two variations, the clear satin 3060 Door-Oil enhances the tone of the wood, and the white tinted matte 3033 raw Door-Oil helps maintain an unfinished look on lighter coloured woods like oak or pine. Application is best carried out on a door that is removed from the frame, with all ironmongery such as hinges and handles removed. For application, we recommend using the Osmo flat brush for an even finish and a great level of control. To begin with, ensure the door is clean, dry and dust free, and always make sure that you carry out a small trial area first. Thoroughly shake the can of door oil to mix the ingredients. Failure to do so could lead to a patchy finish. Then pour the mixed oil into a paint tray ready for application. Working in manageable areas, apply thinly and evenly along the grain. If necessary, remove any excess product from the surface using a lint-free cloth. When applying the 3033 door oil raw, you should quickly remove all excess white pigment before drying. Allow to fully dry in a ventilated area. Sanding between coats is not normally required, however small nibs can be lightly removed using a very fine grade sandpaper. Remove any dust after denibbing with a soft brush. Apply your second and final coat using the same technique and leave fully to dry in a ventilated area. Once dry, replace your handle and furnishings onto the door. Now it's ready to hang. For regular cleaning, use the Osmo spray cleaner. For patch maintenance, simply apply a little more oil thinly with a lint-free cloth. Further information on aftercare, cleaning and maintenance can be found on our website.